He's getting out?
No. Their legs get stuck. We need somewhere to put them.
Mama's going to get something.
You better hurry. Do they need water? This is the biggest one.
No, not for a minute. I mean, he's fine for a minute. You know, for a couple minutes. What?
He made a noise like he's stuck.
I think he's okay.
Oh, wow. Oh, gosh, his stomach.
He's going to make that noise.
Should I hold him?
No, just...
Yeah. Like, no. So take the top of it, Parker. No. Be careful for Pepper. So take the top of it and twist it so that he doesn't get out.
No, the net. No. He's going to get out. Pepper, hey, Sam.
Parker, let me see. Hold this one for a second.
No, twist it so it closes the net up.
No, not like that.
No.
Hold the bottom.
No.
Oh gosh, be really careful, okay? No, you're gonna let me go.
Okay, buddy. Okay.
Should they go in there to get... Oh, not tight, Avery. You know, he doesn't have to be in there tight. I like your idea, though.
I want to kiss this one. Here's my feet.
Yeah, he's a frog,
Look
dude.
at his belly, Daddy.
Alright, so Parker, hold the bottom and the top. Hold the bottom and...
The pool thing. I don't like holding this.
Oh, no.
Oh! Oh! And...
He's not gone yet. He just sits there when he's in the water. He just sits there.
I don't like holding them. It's sad.
Hey,
Daddy, this one is getting like strangled.
No, he's not.
Parker, he's fine. Mama's getting a bucket. If you want to let him go, you can.
I have an idea.
Okay, I've never heard anything like that in my life. That is insane.
Got him.
That... Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I've never heard that in my life. Wow. That is some crazy talk.
He's really hurt.
No, he's not. Parker, he's fine.
He's about to get out.
I don't like this.
Then let him go if you want to, Parker.
Don't let him go. I'll hold him.
Okay. But I get the credit for catching
Okay.
the pool baby.
Oh, I better hurry because Parker's freaking out.
Mama! Do you hear that?
I do. Never heard anything like it. Have you?